So we're going to fit this one here that Zach's made. So do you want to have a go whooping the tape off that, Zach, and seeing how that... So again, let us know what you think about this. What design should we put on them? Do you like the sort of gun-esque design? We haven't tried this yet, and we should put an alcohol wipe, and we don't know if that's the best tape for that surface. But it should nestle into that flat bit there. That looks alright, doesn't it? Right, yeah, let's swap then. You have the camera then. I'll get this bit on. There you go. And then we've had to do it. Our laser's not big enough to do the whole stretch in one piece. And I think it would actually be difficult to fit as well. So we've put a split in it, and it joins in the middle of that. Whoa. I was contemplating putting a jigsaw piece design in the middle to join them together, but I'm not sure how tricky that's gonna... Oh, that's mint. If we open the doors, they'll probably let a bit more light in, let a bit more... That's better, isn't that? And then we've got the small bit, and can you show them that there now in the natural light? Does that... You can catch it. So that is real walnut wood veneer we've got on top there, and then this bit goes in here. There we go. I'll have to just tweak, but that will give you a walnut strip all the way across there. So we're thinking of doing some more bits, but let us know what you think. Hold that one up against there, Zach, so we can see that. There you go. And that's the sort of... Right, there we go. That's that. Right, so with our Ghostbusters replica, I thought I'd buy a horn and get some strange noises going on. And I thought, why not buy some random Amazon/eBay horns? So we've got a collection of 3 horns here. We haven't even unboxed them yet, have we, Zach? So you have the siren horn. Not a lot of wild claims on that one, just a useful wiring information. This one makes some more wild claims. It's a Type R antique horn. That's a sort of mixed metaphor for me. Type R is more like Honda-esque modern VTEC engine. And it's got a vintage horn with the oogar oogar sound. Antique horn brings back old memories. So we'll have a look at the oogar oogar horn. I don't even know what this one is. This is a dodgy, dubious plain packaged one, discreetly packaged. So when you get it through the door, what we got going on here? I can't even work out how to open the box. Let's have a look. I can't even remember. I'll put the links or the pictures of where I bought them from. They were all ridiculously cheap. Oh no, look at this one. This one had like some PA system. Oh, that feels like a kiddie's toy. Feel that, Zach? No, that's not quality, is it, Zach? No. Yeah, no, it looked flasher on the internet, that one. Zach, I thought, oh, look at that. Hold on, there's the microphone there. Yeah, I don't think that's going to give us crisp audio quality to you. But apparently that one, yeah, that can do like 7 tones and siren horn, 100 watts. Whoa, that bit looks all right. Got some tricky mounting thing, and I guess, what does this connector go into this? Yeah, look at that, goes into there, look. It's like a telephone connector. We've got to get some batteries in there, do you reckon? Maybe not. Maybe it takes this power. Right then. Right, let's open them all up, have a look, and then we'll get blasting some horn sounds. Are you ready for some ooga ooga sounds, Zach? Whoa. It's like a cracker, look, Zach. We've got some presents. So it looks like we've got 2 electrical connections on the end. Zoom in on a bit on that, Zach. We've got 2 spade connections there. I don't know if we've got any. It says plus and minus on it. Look, 12 volts. Oh, can't wait to fire that one up. What have we got here? It is Friday. We always do something a bit silly on a Friday. Right then. Ooh. He looks interesting. There you go. We've got 2 wires coming out. Oh, it looks like he's going to make like some sort of... He looked bigger on the internet, I've got to be honest, Zachy. He's kind of a little smaller. I was expecting something. Right then. Right, which one should we power up first? Right, we have a 12 volt battery. Plus and minus. Here we go. Red. Right, and what are we looking for in a horn? Right, let's start with this siren horn quickly then. Right. We've got 2 wires. They've just about stripped them for me. Right, let's go minus here. Positive here. Whoa! It's blowing us. That'd be pretty good on the Ghostbusters wagon. That'd be alright. I actually like that. That's better than I thought. I thought it was going to be like some meh sort of noise. I like that. And that's not too antisocial, is it? Zach's not committing to a lot here today. Tyler's girlfriend's not too well, so he's right then. This is the ooga ooga sound. Right, hold on. There is a plus and a minus. Let's not get this wrong. Right, you ready? Whoa! Hold on. That is an ooga ooga sound, isn't it? It's not too disappointing, really. If you want an ooga ooga sound, I think you'd have to sort of press it in a way. Do you know what I mean? That's all right. All right, there we go. Right then. There we go. My expectations are low for this one. Now, yeah, what controls have we got on there? Zoom in. So we've got horn, siren, hold, whale 1 and whale 2. Goodness, how many knows what? I haven't got enough hands for this. Let me twist these together. Hold on a minute. Right, I've twisted these high-tech wires together here, and let's have a look. So we're on horn first. It's all right. Right, here we go. Siren. So that one you got to press. This one's a bit different. You got to press it again to stop it. Right. What does high lud mean? High low? What's that say? Do you think it's supposed to be
LD.
That's high LD. There you go. Right, hold on. What have we got? Whale 1 then. So that one keeps, you can't stop it when you press the button again. It sounded like it was sort of petering out though. Right, there you go, let's have a look. What's whale 2? Right, and what's this one? Right, and how do you, apparently you're supposed to be able to use it as like a microphone or something. How am I gonna, there's no, oh, there you go, there's a button on the side, look. Roscoe. There you go. Yeah, not sure about that. Right, there you go. It's a little bit of fun. I don't know which one. I think we might put that one. I think that one's more Ghostbustery than the others. Right, anyway, we're just having a bit of fun. If you're into some horns, I hope that helps you. Get on Amazon, eBay, and get some more horn in your life. Right, let's have a look. We're in the Tesla. He needs an eye test. Look, see there? See that sign's a 50. And when you go over on his screen, you go, he's got it as a 30.